Hey y'all, it's Mang Tiof. What's up? How you doing? So in today's video, we are reviewing this wig from Curlyme Hair. This is a 13x6 frontal pre-plucked lace front wig. It came 26 inches and 180 density. It was giving me 150 density vibes and 22 inches vibes, but it's still good hair. You know, I didn't do any flat ironing. I didn't put no products or oil in the hair. I just worked with it as it is. So I just got like a palette that has like a dark brown in there. So since I didn't bleach my knots, want to make sure that the lace is your shade. You know, all these laces come very light, so that's a lot of work for us dark skins. We got to put a lot of powder on there. So I haven't installed a wig in so long. This one I took my time. You know, patience is key. I'm using my Ghost Bond glue. I do want to get a new glue. Like, I don't want to use Ghost Bond no more because it rips out your edges. And I recently just got my edges back and I don't want to lose them. So if you know any good glue for wigs, just comment them down below and I'll start using those instead. So guys, I'm just waiting for my Ghost Bond to turn clear. This is not really clear as it's supposed to be, but you know it works. So I'm just going section by section and I'm pulling the lace down so that, you know, it can glue down. So I'm just making sure that everything is flat and ready to be tied down, because once you tie it down, you're on to the next step. So I blow dry for about 10 to 15 minutes because when you're doing a semi half up, half down, you don't want the sides to be picking up when you making your ponytail. So I made sure that it was very secured before I decided to do the hairstyle that I was gonna do. So when I took out the tie, I realized that it was a little bit white because I didn't let the glue dry. So I just went back in with a powder that's about my shade and I just put it all over the front of the lace. So after I put the powder, you know, it started to look a little decent, started to look like my shade and everything, but I still ended up putting more product on there. You know, taking a little selfie for my man. So I'm just going to get the hot comb and push all the hair in the back so that when I cut the lace off, there's nothing in my face. So guys, I took my razor and I'm just cutting section by section and making sure that, you know, it looks like a hairline and not a frontal like a lace, you know. So guys, when I said I went back in, I was talking about my Toffee Tees by Fenty Beauty. This right here, this is my lace cover up right here. Like, I didn't realize how much I needed this until today. Like, it made my lace look like my shade. Like, y'all gonna be seeing me doing that more. So I put that all over the front, and now I'm gonna start doing my itty bitty hairstyle as y'all see in the thumbnail. So I'm starting off by separating the two pieces in the front and pushing all the hair in the back so that, you know, it could be sleek. So once I finish pushing all the hair to the back, I'm going to start my baby hairs. I'm doing my baby hairs piece by piece. Usually I bring all the hair out, but you know, I was taking my time today. So I'm just gonna do 2 on both sides. Once I finish my baby hairs, I'm just going to go ahead and tie it down so that it can stay in its place. And then I'm going to get my got-to-be spray and start forming my ponytail. You want your ponytail to be very sleek, so you're going to spray your got-to-be spray and comb at the same time. So guys, once your baby hairs is sleeked and your ponytail is to your liking, you're going to curl the 2 front pieces in the front. This was really cute. Like, who told me to curl it? But yeah, y'all, this is how the curls ended up looking. I just want to say for the people in the back, I am not a hairstylist. I just do hair to my liking. So big shout out to Curly Me Hair for sending me this beautiful unit. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.